Three strikes and you are out. Yes, three strikes can kill your job search. Last week, for the first time in 14 years, I went back to the Blue Jays baseball game. Now, baseball has many rules, but there is one everybody knows. Three strikes and you are out. That simple rule ended innings, careers, and even legendary players' momentum. As I sat there watching, it struck me how much this mirrors executive career management. Because in your career, just like in baseball, three key mistakes can knock you out of the game. But unlike baseball, there's no umpire giving you a second chance to bat tomorrow. Today, I'm going to share the three strikes in career management that can put your entire career at risk. If you avoid them, you stay in the game. If you commit them, well, career and game over. I'm Martin Buckland, a global executive career management practitioner. One of the reasons why I'm in business is that three strikes and you are out is so prevalent today. I see it so often. So strike number one, no current ATS-friendly, performance-driven resume. The first strike is walking into the job market with an outdated, pretty, but useless resume. Here's reality. Over 70% of resumes are rejected by that very specific applicant tracking system, ATS, before human eyes ever lays on them. Why? Because the formatting is wrong, the content is vague, or the document is more design experiment than a business tool. Too many professionals cling to old versions of their resume like that lucky bat. They think a quick update will do, but careers evolve, industries shift, skills go stale, and a resume from even 2 years ago is ancient history in today's market. What is the fix? Your resume needs to be performance-driven, not tasks, but accomplishments. Employers don't care you led a team. They care that you increased sales by 42% in 18 months. It should be metric rich. Numbers tell stories better than objectives. Improve customer retention by 15%. Is that good proof? The more metrics you have in your resume, your CV, the better. Forget shading, forget graphics and creative fonts. If the system can't read it, you might as well not apply. Think of it this way. Your resume is your baseball bat. Show up with the wrong bat and you'll never hit the ball. Show up with the right bat, engineered, weighted, and ready, and you'll have a fighting chance to knock it out of the park. Strike two. Incomplete or inactive LinkedIn profile. The second strike is ignoring LinkedIn, or worse, half doing it. LinkedIn is your career live scoreboard. It's where recruiters, employers, clients, and peers go first. Yet countless executives treat it like an afterthought. Why, I don't know. Here are the most common mistakes. No banner image, weak headshot, or worse, a vacation photo with sunglasses. A headline that says nothing more than director at company X. That's not a hook, that's a yawn. So a profile that hasn't been touched in years, with outdated skills, no recommendations, a summary that reads like a copy and paste from your job description. What are the consequences? You don't show up in executive recruiter searches. You look irrelevant. You disappear from opportunities before you even know they exist. Why does this matter? Because 95% of executive recruiters use LinkedIn to source candidates. If your profile isn't optimized, you are invisible. Invisibility is career suicide. So to stay in that game, you must keep your content updated. Every promotion, every achievement, every certification belongs there on that profile. Use your headline and the about section to sell yourself, not bore people. Engage, post, comment, share insights. An active profile signals relevance and energy. The more text on your LinkedIn profile, the more the Google algorithm will help you generate more traffic, and that's for free. Think of LinkedIn as your highlight reel. Imagine if a baseball player ignored his stats or refused to show his performance history. Nobody would sign him. The same is with you. So strike 3, weak or non-existent network. The third and often fatal strike is having a tiny network, or worse, failing to grow it and use it while you are employed. This is the silent killer of careers. People hide in their jobs, heads down, thinking loyalty is enough. Then the layoff comes. Suddenly they're scrambling. But by then it's too late. They've got nobody to call, no one to recommend them, no opportunities to hear about. So here is the truth. Your network is your career insurance policy. Every study proves it. 70 to 80% of senior roles are filled through connections. Yes, 70 to 80%, not job boards. Networking isn't optional. The 3 big networking failures are, number 1, a small network. 200 connections won't cut it. You need thousands. Number 2, wrong network. If your contacts aren't in your target industry, function, or geography, they can't help you. Number 3, an inactive network. You just can't collect names. You need to engage, congratulate, comment, meet for coffee, add value. So networking isn't begging, it's relationship building. It's showing up before you need help. It's giving before you take. In baseball, players know they need a team behind them. Nobody wins a game alone. Same goes for your career. You don't advance alone. Your network is your team. Without it, you're stranded on first base, waiting to be tagged out. So let's bring this back to baseball. 3 strikes and you're out. Number 1, an outdated ATS-friendly resume or CV. Number 2, an incomplete or inactive LinkedIn profile. Number 3, non-existent or weak network. Ignore these rules and your career gets benched. Obey them and you're not just staying in the game, you're swinging for home runs. Your career isn't a game. You can restart tomorrow. You only get one. Don't strike out. Play smart. Play prepared. Remember, in career management, you are both the batter and the coach. I'm Martin Buckland, your executive career management practitioner. Your career is your business. Why don't you manage it like a business? So many don't. If you want more actionable advice on personal branding, resume writing, or how to truly stand out in your career, head to my YouTube channel, Martin Buckland, press the subscribe button and the bell button, and you won't miss any videos that are coming up next. So hopefully you've learned a lesson today. Those 3 strikes, if you don't obey by them, you're gone.